guys, Nicole here and welcome to my channel. It's going to be our most recent update for Seria located in Baliwag, Bulacan by Ovia Land, our developer. Alam niyo ba guys na meron tayong bagong phase 2 pre-selling dito dahil nga sold out na yung phase 1. Kung naghahanap ka ng elegant subdivision, yung classic yung design ng house and lot mismo, at syempre kahit pre-selling pero kaya yung 1-year turnover, ito na yun guys, Seria by Ovia Land. Dahil dalawa ang pwede mong pagpilian, yung kanilang duplex at ang kanilang townhouse. So guys, ready na ba kayo? We're gonna have a quick tour and watch until the end para sa updated sample computation. Alam nyo ba ang laki ng ating discount na ibabawas sa processing fee? Magugulat kayo guys. So watch until the end. Ovia Land is a subdivision located right along the main road. That's our main entrance gate with complete stunning amenities. 35 minutes drive to Pulilan exit, NLEX, 15 minutes drive to SM Baliwag, and 20 to 25 minutes drive to SNR here in Bypass Road of Pulilan. So this is the community of our project, and if you want a duplex house that actually looks like a single attached, this is our Seria duplex model. The firewall is at the back, that's why it looks like a single attached in front. And this is our townhouse. First, we're gonna do a house tour for the duplex model. So you have a spacious car garage, up to 2 cars on the side, even if it's inner unit. Let me show you the floor and lot area showing on the screen right now. You have this signature design na pa-arco. This is a complete finished turnover. We have a very spacious floor area. That's why you can put 6-seater dining table and your living space over this area. And this is your kitchen. This is the turnover of our unit, actual turnover with 2 toilet and shower, complete finished. You have an access door to your garage or service area. And there is another laundry area here. So with this one, you can actually put an enclosure upon unit turnover for your laundry area. Alright, so this is the turnover of our stairs. It looks really nice and elegant. We have 3 bedrooms in total. You have a spacious hallway wherein you can put an accent chair over here. So this is your toilet and shower number 2. So the good thing is you have 2 bathrooms, and this is your bedroom 1. So perfect for growing family because you have another bedroom here, bedroom 2. And your master's bedroom, a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and shower. You have a big window here and a space for your closet over this side. This is your master's bedroom, and you have a balcony. It's really nice guys because you still have a balcony on this side. This is your community. And did you know that this duplex model is actually very affordable for the design of the unit itself and for the size? This is the sample computation showing on the screen right now for our duplex model. Can you see how big the discount that we have for the processing fee? That's a discount already. So just imagine guys, almost $500,000 for a discount. So kung gusto mong makahabol dyan for this month of October, you must contact me as soon as possible. Whether you are in the Philippines or abroad, it doesn't matter because we offer online reservation. We're gonna send you the map. You're gonna send your initial requirements requirements for us to assess first before we allow you to transfer the reservation fee. So first, we do initial assessment, okay? So that's our first process. So contact me as soon as possible as you see this. My Viber WhatsApp number 0917-114-2422. Mention Seria duplex model, okay? So that you can pick in the map, we can check your requirements, and you can pay the reservation online. And if you want, when you are in the Philippines or when you are free, we can schedule a tripping based on our schedule, okay? So just contact me as soon as possible, and just make sure to first do the online reservation so that you can secure the slot that you like. Because as of this morning, actually, meron din akong client, actually nakita ko wala ng corner, guys. Napakabilis pong maubos ng corner, pero may nakikita ako na katapat niya yung amenity area, may 2 o 3 slot na lang na natitira. So first come, first serve, contact me as soon as possible kung gusto mo nakatapat mo amenity area para makahabol ka doon. And of course, kung ang hanap mo naman ay townhouse, let's go to the townhouse unit. Ganito yung kanyang exterior sa labas at may malaki rin siyang parking. So ayan, pag end unit, kung may maabutang kang end, pero kadalasan inner. So this is our townhouse inner unit na ayan yung floor and lot area niya showing on the screen. Nakikita nyo naman kahit sedan, kasyang-kasya pa rin yung parking dito ng malaking sasakyan sa harap. Okay? At napaka-elegant pa rin ang design niya, pero very affordable ang ating townhouse unit sa Seria. Nakalak, ay hindi pala, nakabukas. So ayan siya, guys. Ayan. So, ang turnover niya is complete finish. This is an actual turnover. Wala siyang gamit. Kaya mas kitang-kita mo na, wow, ganito pala siya kalaki yung turnover niya. For a townhouse, kung ikaw ay may growing family, kahit pala meron kang 4 na anak, pwedeng-pwede. Kasi di ba may 3 kwarto, 2 CR. Kahit pala townhouse, sa ganitong halaga, kayang-kaya mo na. Syempre, at the end of this video, you will see the updated sample computation with discount for October, diba guys? So, ito po yung ating service area. Pwede mo itong i-enclose, ipasara, ayan. Actually, this is your kitchen. Ang maganda sa kitchen niya, guys, ayan, enclosed kasi meron siyang pintuan. So, yung townhouse mo, naka-townhouse ka, pero enclosed yung kitchen mo. Tapos, ang laki ng pwede mong ma-design sa iyong living and dining area. Wow! Talagang galingan mo na lang yung pag-interior mo. Parang meron ka ng napakasosyaling bahay kahit townhouse. At yung kanyang unang toilet and shower na complete fixtures din. When you go upstairs, maluwag din ang hallway natin dito. Ayan siya, guys, ha. Pakita ko sa inyo, ha. Ayan po siya. At meron kang second toilet and shower na may magandang fixtures. O, diba? Townhouse, pero ang ganda ng pagkakagawa. Ang ganda ng turnover ng bahay mo. Meron kang bedroom 1. So, this is your bedroom number 1. Kasya ang single bed. At this is your bedroom number 2. Kahit maglagay ka ng double deck, pwede. Bed banks, magpa-customize ka, pwede. Nasa sayo na lang kung paano mo i-design. At ang iyong master's bedroom, siya yung pinakamalaki. Kasya ang double bed dito sa master's bedroom na meron siyang malaking sliding door connecting to this small balcony. Ang cute po ng kanyang balcony, guys. Ayan, no. Ganito siya. Meron pa rin siya. Nagawan pa rin siya ng balcony design. Tapos, ayan yung malaki mong parking area, oh. Ang ganda ng view mo dito kasi dito maraming palayan at may mga overlooking na mountain ranges dito po sa may Baliwag, Bulacan, 'di ba, guys? Wala ka nang makikitang ganyan. So, ito po yung ating Seria Townhouse, Baliwag, Bulacan. And syempre, ang ating updated sample computation showing on the screen right now. Very affordable, guys. Wala ka nang makikitang townhouse na ganito kaganda. Pero nakita nyo naman, kahit pre-selling, di ba? Ang ikli lang ng down payment. So, kaya yung 1 year, nasa 1 year turnover or 1 year mahigit na turnover. Di ba, guys? Saan ka pa? Wala ka nang makikitang ganyan. Avail our October 2025 promo discount for Seria, guys. Because this is selling fast, actually. Yung iba nga na mas gusto pang maghintay, kailangan nilang gawin mag-line up. So, yun yung pwede namin gawin sa inyo. Pero kung ako sa inyo, para sure na kayo sa Black and Lot, yung meron tayong available ngayon, pumili na kaagad kayo sa mapa. Online reservation, walang problema. Syempre, bawal ditong mag-walk-in. Kung gusto mong makita in person ang tripping dito, guys, tripping request sa akin, at least 1 to 2 days before. Kung magpapatripping, kontakin nyo ako. Strictly, no walk-ins are allowed. Ayan yung aking Viber WhatsApp number showing on the screen, guys. Okay? Nakita nyo naman yung sample computation. Napakamura niya. Kaya, kung gusto mong humabol bago mag-December, bago mag-New Year, meron ka nang nilulook forward na bahay dito, guys, kay Ovia Land sa Seria. Just contact my Viber WhatsApp. Kung ang gamit mo naman ay Messenger, ayan, showing on the screen right now, yung aking Messenger link. Follow me or message me, Messenger, just mention Seria, townhouse, or duplex, or kung ano man yan. Para masend ko na kaagad sa'yo yung mapa at yung requirements, guys. Ayan, papakita ko na rin sa screen yung initial requirements na kailangan mong i-ready. Kahit online mo lang isubmit sa akin yan, para lang ma-allowed ka na, mapayagang ka, makapag-reserve online. Kailangan lang makita namin at ma-check namin yung initial requirements mo. At kung pasok ka, congratulations! Mapapasayo na ang magandang townhouse na to, guys, sa Seria in Baliwag, Bulacan. O, diba? Tapos magkakaroon ka ng ganito kagandang community. Wow! Nakita nyo yung kanyang ano, guys? Kahit yung kanyang required income, diba? Very affordable. Wala ka nang makikitang ganyan sa Bulacan na ganyang kaganda yung townhouse. Ganyang kalaki. May maluwag na parking. Pero abot kaya. So if we are talking about value for money, this is value for money. Just imagine living in Seria, Baliwag, Bulacan. You have this community wherein your neighbors, you see all your neighbors, they have, dahil classic yung kulay, hindi siya colorful. Kahit magtagal yung panahon na mag 5 years or 10 years na kayong nakatira dito, makikita mo na elegante pa rin yung subdivision nyo, maganda pa rin. Hindi siya yung parang, alam mo yung nadugyot na subdivision. Kaya, yun yung maganda, guys, dito sa Seria, Baliwag, Bulacan. So guys, what are you waiting for? We are selling very fast. So contact me as soon as possible, guys. Okay? That's all you needed to know. And so we can welcome you here. So I hope to welcome you very soon here in your future home in Seria, Baliwag, Bulacan by Ovia Land. Guys, what are you waiting for? We are indeed selling very fast because of our beautiful house and lot, beautiful community here in Seria. So contact me as soon as possible and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated sa magagandang projects in the area of Bulacan. Thank you guys for watching and have a nice day.